Hello everyone, this is me Aditya Sanjeet Suvarna and I'll be explaining my lab 2 assignment and the work for what I've done. So upon reading the textbook and the lecture slides, I understood the answers to the questions which are the preliminary questions as given. For the first question about the difference between the uninformed and the informed search, the explanation pretty much goes as uninformed search explores the search space without extra information and it follows basic methods like breadth first or depth first, while informed search uses heuristics to focus on the most promising paths. Uninformed examples are BFS and DFS and also uniform cost search, while the uninformed examples will be the A star and greedy best first search to use the heuristics to search more efficiently. For the second question about the heuristic definition, it pretty much sums up to it being a method that helps to solve problems by giving an estimate of how close you are to the goal. In search of our algorithms, the heuristic functions h of n helps to decide which path to take by estimating the cost to reach the goal from a specific point. And for the third question about it being when a heuristic is admissible, uh, it the explanation pretty much goes to heuristic becoming admissible if it never gives a higher estimate than the actual cost to reach the node. In simple terms, it always predicts the cost to the goal accurately or lower, but never overestimates. So for this question, I made the calculations to find the cost of each arc. One arc cost was already given, so the formula was f of n equals to cost of n plus h of n. So I just substituted the values, which gave cost of n is equals to f of n minus h of n, and I just calculated each arc and just labeled the diagram by the end with the arcs. And about in this question, if the heuristic function is admissible, as I said, the go the heuristic function always predicts that the cost is equal to or lower, but not in an overestimated value. So I checked if each cost is below the value given, which was in this, which made me understand how the node is admissible or not. So yeah. So for the last question, which was to solve a problem using the A star function. So I made a problem and created the nodes, and I have to solve this problem using the A star as the search algorithm, as it combines both the path cost and the heuristic. So as I created the nodes, I added the costs as calculated earlier, and then I added the heuristics here. So here are the heuristics nodes, and yeah. So I before solving this, I predicted that the C will be explored after the A node, as it has the lower f of n, as the as the function will run on the formula as f of n equals to g of n plus h of n. So as C has the lower cost, it will be explored next, and after C, it will reach directly to the Eve node, which is also the goal node, which will be expanded next. So this is how I predicted. Now let's see how it goes up. So as I predicted, it went well, that C was expanded first and then it reached to E. So yeah, thank you.